Hey, Jonathan, I heard that you were having some trouble still trying to submit assignments on Canvas. So I want to kind of go back through some of the things that we talked about on Friday. I know that was a lot of information. So I really want to touch on some of the main points. Number one, every single thing that you will ever need for my class, you will find not just in Canvas, but on your Canvas calendar, like this page. You can find the Canvas calendar by clicking the little calendar icon on the left side. Now, I know that especially right now while we're virtual, you're going to have a ton of information and assignments on your Canvas calendar like this. So I want to point out that you can unclick certain calendars so that you can focus on just one class. Okay, so if you just want to focus on mine, just reading, then make sure that that's the only calendar that you have clicked. Okay, so that might help you kind of narrow down what it is that you're supposed to be doing. Okay, so like I said, everything you need from me will be on the Canvas calendar. So you have to click on the link. I'm going to go back to the one on Friday because that's where you have to go in order to submit your assignment. Okay, so when you click on it, you want to make sure that you actually click into or on the assignment at the top. Don't click back on my name because that's going to take you to my home page. Don't do that. So we're going to click on the assignment. Okay, so I want to really stress to you that I have what's called modules, which means there are multiple steps. Okay, but I've broke it down page by page. Okay, and even on that page, I broke it down step by step. Step one, as you can see here, do this. Step two, do this. Okay, so I have chunked the information into small steps. You just have to read through the steps and make sure that you're following each one on that page. Okay, so back to Friday. You were supposed to open the assignment, which is this right here, my figure of speech. So it says open today's assignment and follow the video instructions. Okay, so you were supposed to watch this video. It's an 8.5-minute video, and it told you how to create a folder. It told you how to share the folder. And then it had you put today's assignment in that folder. Okay, so that was the first video. Now, step two said, after you do all of that, you need to click next in the bottom right corner. Okay, so this is for every single module, every single day that you do in my class. Every day, you're going to look for the next button. Okay, so we click the next button and it's going to take us to part two. Okay, so now here are the instructions and it tells you again, step by step. Step one, watch the video for the instructions and how to turn it in. Okay, so if you didn't follow the instructions on the first page and click next, then you would have never got to this page. Okay, so when you watch this video, it told you very specifically, step by step, how to turn in the assignment, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so step two said click next in the bottom right for the final turn-in page. So again, if you didn't click next, you're never going to get to the correct turn-in page. And basically everything that you do in my class, we are going to be submitting in Canvas. So you've really got to learn how to do this. Okay, so when you go to the next page, you'll see in the top right a button that says submit assignment. That means turn it in. So we're going to submit it. And guess what? It also tells you on this page how to do it. Click submit assignment in the top right corner. And then choose the Google Drive tab below. That's this down here. We did not create it in a Google Doc. You don't need that. We're going to click on our Google Drive. Now, it might ask you to link your account. If you've never linked Google Drive to Canvas, it might ask you to do that, and you'll just click link. Okay, so your assignments, everything that you have in your Google Drive is going to show up. Okay, so if you want to search the assignment, you can search for it. We know that it was called figure of speech. So if you just want to type the word figure, it will pop up, okay? So make sure that you're choosing the correct one. I'm in my son's account, so it's not going to pull up figure of speech because he didn't do it, but it did pull up something with that. So make sure that you are choosing the correct one. All right, so you can search for the assignment. That's what I was telling you. And then once it pulls up, you click it, and guess what? You click submit, okay? Submit. Now, when you do it correctly, it should pop up here in the top right saying submitted. Oh, hold on, we have one more step. So it's saying, do you have any more comments? Okay, so yes, we've linked the assignment right here, and you can change it if you need to, but now you have to click submit again. Submit. Okay, it's going kind of slow, sorry. Okay, so it's saying it's processing. That's a good sign. And this is what you are looking for when it submits. You'll have two clues that you did it right. Number one, you'll have a check mark that says submitted, and it will say resubmit assignment, which means you can submit it again if you make changes to it or need to submit a different assignment because you may have submitted the wrong one, okay? So it will let you know that it's submitted, okay? I hope this helps you. That's all I got.